Trời mình ta ngi đang don hang ne hapo light core mo arliang ngimut ban let right no sipang kat sebapoi sakitai kitan mau kenro. This is my first English vlog, which will be broken English because I don't know much about grammar, so I talk whatever it comes. So our plan today is we'll ride up to Maukenrau area, which we are not known the place, we just go randomly. So let's see. So as I said, I'm not good at English, so my vlog will be broken English. Please don't mind. We are here in Ladsmith, so we take right towards Smith village. We have just filled up our fuel at Moarliang petrol pump, so now we can go, we can roam wherever we want without any fuel shortage. Nice weather without rain, without sun though. It is warm, it's not cool. Comfortable weather. Green Resort, Uduat Singh, Rumbai. There is a resort left from me here, which has which is good for children. You can bring that. There's a swimming pool, a lake, and a ropeway, and there is a I think there are many horses also, so you can ride a horse in that Duat Singh Rumbai Green Resort. So now we are here in Smith PSC. We already reached Smith village. For those who have not seen Smith Market, this is the Smith Market, where people from villages come here once a week to buy things they need. So many cars here. That's why it is very congested here. Even though today is not a weekly market, but lots of cars are there. It is about 10 kilometers from here to Lightlum, so nearby beautiful canyon. So a lot of people are here buying things because I think they will go to Lightlum Canyon. Tomorrow is market, that's why people are arranging things here, left of my side here. Right from here it is a Chandra Park. This small park from Smith. This is about 1.5 kilometer to Chandra Park. So you can bring your family or children there. There are pets like rabbit, the chicken, and small lake. There are swing for children and many things they have for children to play, which is about more than 10 kilometers from the main city Shillong. มีเปลี่ยงสงบหายพิชาทั้งสนิงกระชนองกบาลัดนากระจิงเล็กปะทาร์จิงเล็กชบาร์ปะทาร์ This is Thang Sning. Thang mean burn, Sning mean pick. So what's the story behind Thang Sning? I don't know, but they just call it Thang Sning, which is burn the pig. I think many years before, people here are burning pigs, but that is just what I've made it now, but it's not the story of all which is came into existence as the Thang Sning village. We'll go here as a shortcut, but you have to be careful with this because there is one area which has a hole, which I was trapped last time. Here, oh. Only those who know, we came through. Oh, cow with a calf. Oh, some of cycling man here. This junction right from me, it leads to Lai Lengkot, Sora, and this will lead to Lai Lom, and then to what? How like the way we are going today, which is a Maukan Road. This is Latdingsai village. From here, the junction to Lightlum. I mean, right from me here, the junction will go to Lightlum, and then left, I'll go to Maukanrao. Okay, bye bye Lightlum. I'm going this way. I'll come next time. This hill here, it is Rapleng, so used to call here Lum Rapleng. I don't know the story behind this, but it is just Lum Rapleng. It's like the hill, Rapleng Hill, and it is also the highest hill in this area. Here, the view, the farmer land. You can see, beautiful. But now, clouds are coming. See, there, lot of scooty. I think we can stop here a bit. So we are planning to go a bit far from here to find another place. 14 kilometers from Rablang to Maukenrau. Oof. This is Rablang village. Road is small, but still good. Good Shepherd Higher Secondary School, Jongsha. Last time when I came here, it was a bad road, many potholes, but now they have renewed it with a good one. So it's nice to come this side. Oh, yeah. Sini. That junction behind us, where kid was confused, leads to Nongjerong village, where people used to come early in the morning to see the sunrise, and at the same time to see the cloud and to stand on top of the clouds. Where should I take? It's not given. Is he or she? Oh, it's he. Umjer. Oh, this is the Umjer manufacture. Umjer is water manufacture here. Wow. This is cabbage. Oh, it's good view. Woohoo! They are washing their car, not cars. Wow, what a view, bro! It's nice. Scotland of the East, the British company used to call. Wow, lot of water running on drainage, so people used to wash car on the roadside. This is my first time writing blogging in English, so it will be rubbish English, broken English, but let it be, because I'm not an English born I am a Khasi born, so my mother tongue is Khasi. It's difficult for me to learn English with good grammar, since my school background also is not English medium, it is Khasi medium, so I have a problem in English. That's why now I'm starting this video vlogging in English. Almost reach Mau Kon Rau. Oh, nice. They are now planting trees this side. So this is Ksek Bilat, they call British pine trees, because this trees has been brought here by British, by the Englishman before 1947. They planted here, so our Khasi people call these trees Ksek Bilat. Ksek mean pine, Bilat mean the people from Bilat, people from England, British. So they call it Ksek Bilat, the British pine trees. Nice. Mau Kon Rau village. We have reached here.
So friends, the main cause that had happened to me today is because I am following my friend too close and with a bit speed, and because of the road also is sloping towards in front, and without realizing that there is a speed breaker in front. So when he applied brakes, and then I realized that I have no space to go. Either if I brake also I will fall, and then if I don't brake also I will hit him. So I try to brake, and at the same time I have to escape from him, and then my front tire slide and I realized that I was fallen. So friends, this is I think this is the best example for all the riders to remember while traveling, while riding along with friends. Remember to keep distance to protect from any accident.
Right. Friends, thanks so much for your time, and I think from here I will end my video today. So we will see you on the next video. Keep on watching. Thank you so much once again.